Look at this man. Look at Elias. He is the walking definition of a soul in conflict. He moves through the world like a ghost haunting his own life. Notice the way he carries himself, shoulders heavy, eyes fixed on the dirt, breathing the recycled air of his own anxieties. Most people spend their entire lives in this state. They believe they are the shadow on the wall. They think that if they fight the shadow hard enough, the light will finally change. Elias has fought. He has bled. He has tried to manipulate the world outside of him to find peace inside of him. He lives in the because. I am unhappy because of my past. I am restricted because of my bank account. I am stuck because of my luck. He is a master of excuses, a king of a graveyard. But today, the weight becomes too much. Today, Elias stops running. He realizes that you cannot outrun a shadow that is attached to your own feet. There is a power in the word no. The Stoic doesn't say no to the world. He says no to his judgment of the world. Watch as Elias enters the silence. He is practicing the great extraction. He is peeling away the layers of his identity like dead skin. He drops the name his parents gave him. He drops the failures the world gave him. He drops the expectations his culture gave him. He sits in the center of his own storm and becomes the eye of the hurricane. Epictetus taught us that it is not things that disturb us, but our interpretation of things. Elias is clearing the lens. He is reaching the state of the void. It is a terrifying place for the ego, but a sanctuary for the soul. In this emptiness, there is no Elias the victim. There is only the observer. And once you become the observer, you are no longer the prisoner. In the deepest cellar of the soul, where the world's noise cannot reach, Elias finds a door that has been locked since his childhood. On the door are two words, written in the language of the stars, I am. This is the secret that Neville Goddard brought back from the ancient scrolls. Your I amness, your basic awareness, is the only God that has ever existed. It is the vine. Everything you see, touch, and experience are merely the grapes growing on that vine. For 30 years, Elias has been shouting, I am poor, and the vine produced poverty. He shouted, I am alone, and the vine produced solitude. He didn't realize that the universe is a perfect mirror. It does not argue, it only obeys. It doesn't give you what you want, it gives you what you are. Elias begins to realize that I am is a blank check. Every time he breathes, he is signing it. He decides, for the first time in his existence, to stop signing it for survival and start signing it for sovereignty. Now, the atmosphere changes. Elias is no longer a seeker, he is a master. He doesn't pray for strength. He assumes the feeling of being strong. He doesn't ask for a way out, he walks as if the doors are already open. This is the bridge of incidents. It is the most difficult walk a man can take. It is the walk where your eyes see a desert, but your soul feels the rain. Neville called this living in the end. Elias closes his eyes and feels the weight of the crown. He feels the texture of the success he craves. He breathes the air of the mountain top while he is still in the valley. He knows that a thought, when felt as a physical reality, becomes a fact. The world outside is slow, it is a delayed reflection, but Elias is patient. He knows that the mirror has no choice but to follow the face. The storm has not ended, But Elias has changed. He walks through the lightning and it does not burn him. He walks through the mud and it does not stain him. He has merged the iron discipline of the Stoic with the infinite imagination of the Creator. He is unshakable. Not because he is hard like stone, but because he is vast like the ocean. You are watching this because the I Am within you is calling to itself. You are Elias. You are the architect. The blueprint is in your hands, and the ink is your own conviction. Go into your silence. Strip away the lies. Claim your throne. Who do you say that you are? I am. If Elias's journey sparked something within you today, let us know in the comments. What is the first I am you are claiming for yourself? If you found value in this story, please like this video and subscribe to join our community of modern architects. Your support helps us share these laws of the mind with the world. Remember, you are the operant power. Until next time, remain unshakable.